Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to discuss how you're going to use your iPhone in order to edit your video. And to do that you're going to need to find an application for the iPhone called iMovie. If you don't have it on your iPhone, what you can do is you can search for it in the App Store by typing in iMovie. And once you see it in the App Store, you will then click Get. Once you have it onto your iPhone, you're then going to click Open. When you first come into iMovie, you'll have a space where you can create a project. You're going to click the plus. You will then click the Movie tab. Then you can select the video that you are going to work with. In this case, we're going to work with the video that we created earlier. So we're going to click on that tab. And then we're going to click Select. We're then going to click Create Movie. Your video will then be part of your project screen. What you'll want to do is you'll want to turn your iPhone to landscape. And then you can then begin working with your video in order to edit it. Now you have controls that you can look to. And if you look on the right side, you'll see a gear button. You'll want to click that gear. And you'll see where you can add in different shades according to your project. You can also choose different themes, and you can add in elements such as theme music, fading in and fading out, as well as changing the speed. When you're done with these project settings, you can then click Done. Then you'll be able to begin working with the actual video, and you'll be able to work with your timeline to determine where you want to edit in and edit out your content. And you're going to see your options. You have elements that you can split, detach, duplicate, and or delete. We can also add in text. We can increase the volume on the audio. And we can speed up the timing. In some cases, what you may want to do is you may want to detach the audio from the video. If you click on the timeline and then you click detach, you can then create separate audio and video. If you feel you've made a mistake, you can use the undo button, which is the bottom right-hand corner, and that will undo any change that you have already made inside of iMovie. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.